Hey everybody, good evening. Welcome to the Paradigm Shift. This is Deepshikha Mehra in conversation with Nikita Patel, the youngest. She has a record. It's in. She has a world record of Indian for the youngest female motorcycle rider to ride the highest motorable road, or Khardungla, and she is pursuing digital marketing and website making, founder and blogger at Fur for All. She's the president of Leo Club of Karnavati Greater, cabinet director for women empowerment, and she's all of 20 and she has achieved so much. So much. I'm so proud to be in conversation with you. Hi Nikita, how are you?
Hello, thank you so much for having me.
So
I'm
good.
good.
ओके ग्रेट सो निकिता हम लोग आपके डैड से बात कर रहे थे लास्ट मंथ एंड he's the only person who's gone from Ahmedabad to London on a motorbike, and that was like an amazing treat. And here we get to know that you hold a record, and you are the youngest little girl to have ridden so far. So tell me, आपका ये story, आपका ये journey कैसे शुरू हुआ? Like when did you learn riding and how did you begin? बताइए.
लाइक फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड ही मेरे पापा उनके राइड्स में से लेके जाते थे ऑल।
हाँ.
तो मेरे को भी मन हुआ जैसे मेरी भी एज हो जाए फिर मैं भी राइडिंग करूंगी।
Right.
तो उनके साथ राइड राइड स्टार्ट किया। उनका ग्रुप ही है
Okay.
GRMC एंड
Okay.
एवरीवन इज लाइक फेलो राइडर।
All
तो
right.
ऐसे ही सब बॉन्डिंग बढ़ती गई और इसमें भी इंटरेस्ट ज्यादा होता है।
Okay. आप कहाँ कहाँ पे गए हो अपने पापा के साथ राइड पे?
जैसे सिटी राइड्स किए एंड अदर देन दैट स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी गए थे
हम्म.
एंड सारंगपुर राइड किया है 2 बार
Okay. Okay. और
और आबू।
Abu. Okay, that is even his favorite place to keep going. Correct. He told us that. Okay. So आपने ये राइडिंग कब से शुरू की? Like I mean मोटरसाइकिल राइडिंग कब से शुरू की? कौन से एज में?
आई थिंक 4 to 5 years हो गए।
4 to 5 years. Okay, since you're 20 now, so like 5 years back. Okay, and then of course you only got your license when you were 18. तो तब
या
आपने क्या डिसाइड किया that you when you went to this खारदुंगला, तब आप कितने साल के थे?
आई वाज 19 एंड
Okay.
मतलब पापा ने अहमदाबाद टू लंदन की राइड की थी तो आई वाज लाइक मेरे को भी कुछ बड़ा करना है एंड
Okay.
सपोर्ट तो था ही फैमिली का फ्रेंड्स का सबका।
All right.
तो
All
आई
right.
वाज लाइक बस लाइसेंस आ जाए फिर चलते हैं।
I like this. I like your family. आप लोग कैसे करते हैं ना? चलते हैं like every day you guys get up and you like take off. That is so cool. तो तो आप इस राइड पे अकेले थे या you had people around you? आपके साथ
या
लोग गए?
वर इन अ ग्रुप और हम लोग जैसे 8 राइडर्स थे एंड 5 अदर पीपल इन बैकअप।
Okay.
में से
Okay.
4 राइडर्स थे, टू वुमेन ऑन एक्टिवा एंड टू ऑन।
Okay, okay. And you had your mother on the Activa. That is like so mind-blowing. How did she decide to go with you? She also wanted to do this कि चलो कुछ करते हैं, आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं.
उनको भी मतलब डर तो था कि ऐसे कुछ राइड किया नहीं था बट वी प्रैक्टिस लाइक मंथ और 2 बिफोर
All
और
right.
फिर ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है कि चलो ये कर सकते हैं।
Correct, correct. So ये अहमदाबाद से खारदुंग, दिस इज इन ले, करेक्ट? ये जो आपका खारदुंग पास है. सो ये कितने दिन का जर्नी है?
हमने 18 डेज में कंप्लीट किया था और
ओके.
7 डेज 7 to 8 डेज हुए थे हमको।
ओके. ओके. 7 to 8 days to reach there.
या
And then आप लोग कुछ मतलब वहां पर थोड़ी देर रुके and then you had to come back in 7 to 8 days again.
2 डेज उधर ले में स्टे किया था एंड देन पेंगोंग लेक और नुब्रा वैली वैली आगे घूमने के लिए गए।
Okay. And then you came riding back to Ahmedabad.
Yes.
Wow. So, tell me, जैसे, what was the route and what all states did you go through to reach there?
Uh, First of all, Ahmedabad to Byawar and Rajasthan में, and
Okay.
Rajasthan, मतलब Byawar to Kundli, that is in Delhi,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
Delhi to Bilashpur, Rajasthan,
Hmm.
Haryana, then
Hmm.
to Rohtang Pass, Manali, then
Okay.
Jispa and Sarchu in that, and then finally Leh.
Wow, that is so good, so good. So, आप कौन से month में गए थे and how was the weather?
Like summer, kind of summer ही था, and जून में गए थे, right?
Hmm.
So वेदर वाज गुड, लाइक हम चंडीगढ़ में गए थे तब उधर बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, क्योंकि हीट इतना था, सनलाइट, तो थोड़ा डिहाइड्रेशन एंड ऑल हो रहा
Okay, okay, okay. And then, so you had a doctor with you guys in the backup car.
था। या टू डॉक्टर थे, दो थे, और एक मैकेनिक भी थे, इन केस
अच्छा,
अगर हमको कहीं पे ऐसे सर्विस स्टेशन ना मिले तो फिर help।
that is so good. So, what did you do for the dehydration? Did you have to take any medicines or it's just with water and some
नहीं, जस्ट वाटर,
cooling,
कोई भी
just
मेडिसिन
cool?
लेके नहीं गए थे।
कोई मेडिसिन
या
लेके नहीं गए थे?
नहीं।
डॉक्टर लोग तो अपना चलता फिरता डिस्पेंसरी लेके गए होंगे ना, आई होप सो.
हाँ, या
Okay, so so it was all throughout गर्मी थी कि once you reached there, then there was a change in weather, and how did you आप adapt कैसे हुए वो बिल्कुल weather change में?
ऐसे धीरे धीरे, मतलब वेदर तो चेंज हो ही रहा था, लेकिन
हम्म.
मतलब ऐसा एक वक्त आया था उधर नुब्रा वैली पे, जहाँ पे हमको
हाँ.
वन डे में तीनों सीजन एक्सपीरियंस हो गए।
ओके.
और या इतना हैवी रेन एंड और अम,
हाँ.
और बहुत क्लाउडी वेदर था, और फिर अचानक से स्नोफॉल
ओके.
स्टार्ट हो गया।
ओके. ओके. सो मतलब आपकी वो चंडीगढ़ से गर्मी से फिर देन क्लाउडी एंड देन स्नोफॉल, सो you had your jacket, biker jackets and all that, so you were properly this, so you were okay, मतलब that was fine. Okay.
Yes.
एंड आपके डैड ने बोला था कि वो बिल्कुल कोई खाना नहीं लेके गए थे, तो टेल मी, आप लोग खाना लेके गए थे कि नहीं?
हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत नाश्ता लेके गए थे, पर
हाँ.
लाइक उधर जो भी
हाँ.
मिलता था उस पे ही कर लेते।
तो आप लोग
लाइक
कोई भी
मैगी।
थेपले 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 लेके नहीं गए थे? व्हाई डिडंट यू टेक थेपलास?
नो नो, आई नो एज अ गुजराती थेपला लेके तो जाना चाहिए।
My favorite food is thepla. So like even when we went, I think I was telling your dad when the last time we went to Spain and UK and everything, I carried my theplas because when you're vegan and when you go abroad, you don't get your khana. So I took my theplas packed and every time I wanted, I just ate my thepla and I was happy. Okay.
नाइस।
तो आपने क्या खाया? आप क्या बोल रहे थे? आपने क्या क्या खाया? मैगी?
हाँ, मैगी उधर हिमाचल में तो मतलब मैगी खाने का मजा है, ठंड में गरम
ओह,
गरम।
हाउ सैड. वहां पे पंजाबी, हिमाचली, हरियाणवी सब खाना खाना था ना आपको, एकदम सब मक्खन मार के एंड ऑल दैट.
वो भी किया
सो
था।
वो भी खाया. That is so good.
या
So you have a lot of beautiful comments. Alap Sharma says it takes a lot of courage to conquer Khardung La. She's very brave. Kudos to you. Anil Goel says hi Betu. Prakash Patel says proud of you, Betu. He's so like a proud dad all the time. And Yashpal says I'm so glad Nikita said no thepla or you would have asked her to hop on. He says yeah, I would ask you to come and get me theplas. And Brijesh Shah says good. Vishal Meni says courageous rider. Mahesh says JJGRMC. Okay, that's your club, that's your riders club.
या
Okay.
यस।
And
ओके, थैंक यू।
Narendra, okay, how cool. And Narendra Chirag says, always remain crazy like your dad, and extraordinary feats are achieved only by the crazy. I so agree. And then Nikita, Mukesh Kumar Chaudhary says, Nikita is a brilliant person. Alap Sharma says, good luck, Nikita. So you have lots and lots of and Pooja
Thank
says,
you
hey,
so much.
Nikki, I'm proud of you, Pooja. I'm proud of you. And then by Pooja. And Anil Goel again says, we're proud of you, dear members, daughters, even mothers also traveled on Activa, mother-daughter together. Yes, Anil, we had requested her mother to be with us because that is such a, you're so true, girl power, that would have been so good if she would also be here. We would hear all the, all the more interesting stories, but probably another day. Okay, so tell me, इस जब did you feel safe like whenever like हम लोग सोचते हैं that if a daughter has to go, I mean आजकल क्या daughter or son both, we always think that that whenever they're about to go somewhere, you had people but still एक वो होता है that did you feel safe in all these states and while you were riding through, and did you didn't मतलब was it all good through the journey?
Yes. मतलब कहीं पे भी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि जैसे इनसिक्योर फील हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। एंड
Okay.
मतलब जो भी उधर लोग मिले, भले अननोन भी थे, दे वर
Hmm.
ऑल वेरी गुड एंड दे ट्रीटेड
Right.
अस वेरी नाइसली। सो ऐसा कहीं पे भी
Right.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ
How nice, how nice. Because I remember your dad said something so beautiful in his interview, which still touches my heart. And he says, "There's only one religion, and that is of humanity."
रहा।
And that is so true. That is so true. And when people like you go, and when you guys experience this firsthand, that's when you really feel, ki ha, these things exist. Okay, so tell me, Nikita, when you reached Leh, like you finally reached, जैसे कोई हिमालय climb कर रहा है, and when you reach the summit. So when you reached Leh, what was your feeling?
ऐसे आई एम स्पीचलेस राइट नाउ।
How nice. You're
इतनी
still,
अच्छी फीलिंग
still,
थी।
हाँ, you
आई
still
एम जस्ट
remember वो अपने
रिमेम्बरिंग। या इतनी
स्पीचलेस
खुशी
थे
हुई
कि
थी।
जोर से आपने चिल्लाया था, कि जोर से आपने चिल्लाया था, यस आई डिड इट, ऐसे
यस,
करके बोला था कि और वर यू लाइक एकदम नम,
वी
व्हाट
वर
वाज द
लाइक
फीलिंग?
टीयर्स वर कमिंग आउट ऑफ आवर आईज, यू नो। और वो
वाओ.
एक खारडुंगला पास जो किया था, इन चांगला
हाँ.
पास, वी
हाँ.
वर लाइक, वो जैसे ही खत्म हो, वी जस्ट पार्क्ड आवर बाइक्स एंड वी वर लेइंग डाउन, वी वर सो हैप्पी।
Oh my God.
लिटरली were hugging each other and all.
Wow, that is amazing. That is amazing. Prakash says she is nearest to do the next biggest adventure, 19th Jan. Tell us about it. He's let out a secret. What are you going to do?
So I'm going for a trekking,
Okay.
चादर ट्रैक, जो मतलब ले
Okay.
से आई थिंक 50 किलोमीटर्स है आगे।
हाँ. हाँ.
एंड वो -40 डिग्रीज है।
Wow. Amazing. So you have like a big gang of friends going with you?
या ग्रुप है, लाइक 15 पीपल, 10 to 15 पीपल आर गोइंग।
All right.
एंड लाइक फादर ने ऑलरेडी ये कर दिया है, तो
हाँ.
वापस इंस्पिरेशन मिल गई।
So it's like आपका ये हो गया है. It is like this that कि basically whatever dad does, I will do better.
No,
That is
I can
so that
try.
that is so cool. That is so cool. So Manisha Thakkar says girl power. Kunal Shah says Nikita is very courageous and a great leader. Anil Goel says rare combo. Ketan says super rider. I know few GRMC members always riding challenging routes. And Anil Goel again says wow, and dad is confident. So
Thank you guys.
tell us, uh, tell us your, जैसे he said GRMC, what does this stand for?
गन राइडर्स मोटरसाइकिल क्लब, मतलब
Okay.
ऐसे राइडर्स की ऐसी कम्युनिटी है, यार,
Hmm.
वी ऑल राइड टुगेदर एंड
How nice. And like where all do these people go? Like what are the other challenging routes that these guys have done?
सच पास किया है उन लोगों ने, वो लोग मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल पे करते हैं, हम कुछ नहीं है. They are all very good riders and
Okay.
या
So
राइडर्स में
you
मतलब ऐसे
guys,
ब्रदरहुड होता है
हाँ.
एंड उनसे तो वही सीखने को मिलता है, एकदम बेस्ट लोग है.
Right. I know your dad told me that, it's like a biker community. Like whoever passes through there will never go hungry, can always come to our home. Our doors are open for anybody who wants to do this path. They will give you to the. Tell us, Nikita, supposing जैसे किसी को अगर ये करना है, तो so, what would you recommend? Where does one find कि ये groups कहाँ पे मिलेंगे, and how does one, plan this? And tell us also what is the cost of this whole thing. I mean, like those doctors that went with you and the mechanic that went with you, were they your friends, or you had to, tell us this whole thing. How does one get this whole team together?
जैसे हम लोग को मतलब एक लाइक फ्रेंड ही है, प्रणव सर. सो
हाँ.
उनका उनका ग्रुप है वर्ल्ड ट्रेजर, उसमें से हम लोग गए
Okay.
थे. एंड
All right.
लाइक 3-4 months बिफोर ही थोड़ा ऐसे प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए.
All right.
तो
What do you have to do in preparation?
लाइक हम लोग तो इधर मतलब मैं मी एंड मॉम यूज्ड टू गो फॉर 40 kilometers राइड एवरी डे जस्ट टू हैव
All right. Okay.
एंड
Okay. Okay.
अदर देन दैट मैं मतलब स्विमिंग स्टार्ट किया था, लाइक उसमें ब्रीदिंग का वैसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना है इसलिए, एंड
Okay.
बॉडी फिट रहे.
Right.
एंड हमारा मतलब हमारा पैकेज लाइक 40,000 का था. एंड
Okay.
लाइक 10,000 जैसा पेट्रोल का और वो सब एक्स्ट्रा खाना पीने का कॉस्ट रहता है.
All right. All right.
ऑल्सो या एंड जस्ट कैरी मतलब मिनिमम लगेज, लाइक
Okay.
ज्यादा कुछ लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, 3-4 कपड़े ले लो फिर वही रिपीट करते रहो, दैट्स ऑल.
Correct. Correct.
या
Yeah. So that is good. So is there like some place that they can, do you guys, is there a website that you contacted, or how does one get a group to go? Supposing like tomorrow somebody decides that they want to ride. So who does one get in touch with?
देयर आर मेनी राइडर्स यू कैन ऐसे थ्रू जैसे म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड्स हो, ऐसे ऐसे ही मिल सकते हैं.
All right. All right. So otherwise they can just call up your dad. He's ready
कैन कॉल.
to
एवर रेडी.
ever ready to help and everything. So
या
he's saying something about you. I just remember when she fell down for the first time, I was laughing to her and asked her, "No one help you. Stand up yourself. Start the bike." And with tears, she started again. I was also with tears, but didn't show to her. Training and discipline is the most important thing of adventure. Oh my God, when did this happen? ये कौन से साल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं डैड?
many years back.
Okay, this is not on the
Whenever
trip.
ऐसा
This
कुछ
was when he was training you to ride there. Okay,
या मतलब ऐसा
okay.
कुछ इंजरी नहीं हुआ तो दैट टच वुड.
But yeah, but that you आप इतने पतले हो और आपका वो पूरा बाइक आपके ऊपर गिर जाएगा. So obviously, there is, okay, there's no injury, but that whole thing. And so that is nice. Yeah, okay. And Ritesh Bhai says wonderful. And Yashpal again, he says like the Mary had a little lamp. It's Prakash Patel has a little lamp. Wherever he goes, his daughter is sure to follow. That is so sweet.
Yes. That's nice.
That is so cute. So, Nikita, tell us, do you have a lot of friends who are also bikers? All your girlfriends?
uh yeah, like 2 or 3 friends who are riders.
Okay, okay.
And it's fun, like सिर्फ गर्ल्स भी हो ना, ऐसे भी एक्साइटिंग लगता है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. सो आप लोग कहीं ऐसे ही चले जाते हो, जैसे अभी आपने बोला आप और मम्मा चाय पीने चले जाते हो 40 40 किलोमीटर, सो ऑल यू गर्ल्स टेक ऑफ
या
and
ऐसे
do
इंस्टेंट
that.
प्लानिंग होता है.
All right, so good. So you were talking about training, and I think we left that beach mein. So you had to do swimming, and just to keep fit, because you are sitting on the bike for so many hours. आप लोग एक साथ कितने घंटे ride करते थे? How much time did you have to stop after?
1 to 2 hours. लाइक 1 आवर
Okay,
भी प्रॉबेबली ज्यादा ज्यादा ही हो जाता है, क्योंकि एक्टिवा भी साथ में थी, तो नो वी
yeah,
हैड टू स्टॉप लिटिल.
okay. तो आप लोग एक एक घंटे के बाद थोड़ा थोड़ा देर रुकते थे, and then you
या.
would okay.
ये.
एंड सो इज देयर आपको कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट याद आता है, जैसे इन दिस होल जर्नी डू यू रिमेम्बर एनी इंसिडेंट दैट काइंड ऑफ comes to you, and you are like either you're very happy with that incident or you're very sad with that incident.
या ऐसे एक दो इंसिडेंट्स हुए थे. जैसे
Hmm.
अ, वो चांगला पास किया था हमने, जहाँ पे इतना ज्यादा स्नोफॉल हो रहा था, आई कुडंट
Hmm.
सी एनीथिंग. और वो साइड में तो खाई थी, और इतना स्नो था, और ब्लैक ब्लैक आइस से लिटरली मेरी बाइक ऐसे स्किड मार रही थी. आई
Oh
वाज
my
लाइक
god.
लिटरली भगवान आ गए ऐसा लग रहा था.
Oh my
या.
god. That is scary. Okay, anything else, Nikita?
ना, बाकी तो बहुत ही मजा आ रहा था. जैसे कोई भी अगर छोटी छोटी भी तकलीफ हो तो दैट वाज लाइक, ये भी एक्सपीरियंस हो गया.
That is such a good way to take that through Nikita, क्योंकि that is very few, because people जैसे I mean जो adventure करते हैं वो तो ऐसे ही सोचते हैं that every little setback or is an opportunity to learn something, but
ये.
that is so good. So Mona Vikram says she's just like her dad. She's very sweet, brave, and filled with all awesome qualities. Proud of you, Nikita dear. And Sameer Khamar says like father, like daughter. So yes, that is great.
थैंक यू.
So so that is good. So did you and did mom have a problem on her Activa? Like, did she have any problem riding जब वो मतलब ये पूरे ट्रिप में?
नहीं, ऐसा प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं हुआ, बट जस्ट स्पीड का था प्रॉब्लम उनको. जैसे बाइक में थोड़ा ज्यादा स्पीड में चलाते हैं, तो बट वी
Hmm.
वर मैनेजिंग गुड.
Okay. Okay.
या.
And what about the ghats and all that? Were there lots of ghats, Nikita? And how did you guys manage the ghats? Because flat road, जो plateau है वो तो ठीक है, but ghats, was it very
ऑफ
daunting?
रोडिंग ऑफ रोडिंग वाज वेरी नाइस.
हाँ.
एंड मतलब there were times like बाइक ऐसे ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं,
हाँ.
काइंड ऑफ स्लिप हो जाए ऐसा भी लगे, बट यू नो
Oh my God.
वी जस्ट मैनेज इट एवरीथिंग.
Oh, good, good, good. But आप लोग जैसे आबू जाते रहते होगे, तो you had some kind of an experience for the ghats, मतलब आपका थोड़ा सा वो था.
या बट उधर का तो ऐसे रोड अच्छे है, तो ऐसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम
Okay.
नहीं आता.
इतना स्टीप घाट्स नहीं होते होंगे ना यहाँ पे. द
या.
घाट्स मस्ट बी मोर स्टीप. ओके. So,
या.
and what about, so you guys used to ride the whole day and then rest somewhere in some kind of a hotel or something every night?
लाइक या मॉर्निंग में हम लोग अराउंड 5 to 6 में हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट तक हम कर लेते थे.
All
फिर
right,
फिर राइड स्टार्ट करते थे, एंड देन सीधा रात को सीधा होटल पे हम लोग स्टे करने के लिए, फिर रेस्ट कर लेते नेक्स्ट डे
all right.
अगेन.
Okay,
या.
so nice. That is so nice. So 6 to 7 days you guys traveled by that. That is so nice. Anything else, Nikita? आप मतलब any other incident that you remember that really kind of made you happy or sad during the whole thing? Or some people that you
या.
met were really, that you still remember till today?
There were many people, and we met many riders too. Like सब
Okay.
लोग ऐसे इतने राइडर्स मिले, और सब लोग लाइक ब्रदरहुड तो ऐसे रहता ही है.
हाँ.
तो फिर कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि वो लोग साथ में ही आ जाते हैं, साथ में ही चलते हैं, फिर ज्वाइन करते हैं। एंड ऐसा एक
वाह।
इंसिडेंट हुआ था जैसे जहाँ पे मतलब आई फेल डाउन, बट
हाँ।
इट वाज टू फनी। लाइक टांगला पास था उधर।
हाँ।
मैं स्टीप वो स्लोप पे खड़ी थी बाइक के ऊपर।
हाँ जी।
एंड लाइक मेरा पैर नीचे तक पहुंचा नहीं, तो मैं ऐसे ही खड़ी खड़ी। एंड
हो।
लाइक मेरे साथ एक वृष्टि दीदी थे। सो
हाँ।
वो तो साइड सीइंग कर रहे थे, उनका ध्यान भी नहीं था, उनको लेके ही गिरी थी मैं। So funny.
But there was no injury. It was just like
No, no,
just खड़े खड़े पे
no injury.
वो
Yeah,
हुआ. Oh my God. I remember my son had gone for some kind of a camp and they were cycling down a cliff. That is why I'm asking, that. And they were riding down the cliff and this girl, I think, kind of fell. So he was trying to save her. So he, in that panic, he pressed all the brakes, front and back brake. And his cycle just, somersaulted and he fell right on his face. And that was quite, I mean, it was not like a steep cliff, but it was a cliff like that. And thankfully they were safe, but he was very, very injured. He had all kinds of bruises and everything. And thankfully nothing happened on that trip other than that, and they had a lot of fun. So you guys, ये जो अभी आप trekking कर रहे हो, तो इसमें जो अभी आप next जा रहे हो,
yeah.
so this is all going to be like with adventure, or you guys are just going to walk? Is it going to be like from Ahmedabad, or you will go to a certain place and then you just climb the mountain?
Oh no, we'll go to a certain place, like in Leh,
Hmm.
and then we will start the trek.
Walking. Okay. And
Yeah.
that is how many kilometers up, or how many feet up, or how does it happen?
Just 30 to 40 kilometers, I think, वो ट्रैक है।
Okay.
एंड आई थिंक -30-40 डिग्रीज है अभी तो, लाइक पूरा
Wow.
आइस ही है।
Wow.
या
So you will be wearing that heavy suit or whatever, that trek,
फुल जैकेट
okay,
कवर एंड ऑल।
full jacket covered, like this, and then you will have those special boots with spikes and stuff like that for your
यस,
eyes and stuff. Okay,
या,
and you will have proper guides taking you to this thing.
यस, या।
Amazing, amazing. So that is all the best for that, because it
थैंक यू
needs
सो
a lot
मच।
of gut. So Nikita, tell me something. Like, what does an adventurous person feel like? Why does this person like you or your dad do these kind of things? I mean, like a lot of us don't even bother. कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, we are happy seeing आप लोग सब लोग, अच्छा इधर क्लाइम कर लो, उधर क्लाइम कर लो. So आपको क्यों ये सब करना अच्छा लगता है?
लाइक इनर पीस मिलता है,
ओके.
ऐसे जैसे आई लाइक माय पेरेंट्स डोंट इवन नो राइट, बट लाइक मैं काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा ऐसे डिप्रेशन में थी
ओके.
ले राइड के टाइम। एंड जहाँ उधर पहुंच के फिर ऐसा लगा लाइक क्या है ये सब। सब
ओह
गया,
वाओ.
राइड करो, मजे करो, है ना।
अमेजिंग, दैट इज सो गुड. सो आई मीन यू हैव दैट, एक एक हाई मिलता है, जैसे लोगों को एक हैप्पीनेस मिलती है, एक इनर पीस मिलती है टू डू ऑल दिस, एक वो दिस, दैट इज सो गुड. So one second, there are so many more. Ritesh Bhai Prajapati says, I really appreciate Nikita for such exciting adventures. She will break the world record, I bet. Very good. And Sashank Agrawal says, I can assure that she will be at the top of the world one day. Her passion of writing will make her dreams come true one day, and that day is not far. All the best, Nikita Patel. Keep going. And Prakash says that is so true. There is a very thin line between adventure and disaster. You should be
डिजास्टर।
ready to face all challenges.
यस,
That's your
करेक्ट।
dad for you. I mean, your dad is like this. And Abdul Samad says, proud of you. That is so cool. So, Nikita, ये सब तो आप कर ही रहे हो. And now you are also doing BCom and you are also doing digital marketing. and you are a president, Leo Club president of Karnavati Greater. So tell us a
Mhm.
little bit about that part of your life, the normal जिंदगी वाला life के बारे में बताइए.
Uh, I'm right now Leo Club of Karnavati Greater President, और जो
हम्म,
हमारा पेरेंट क्लब है लायंस क्लब ऑफ
हाँ
कर्नावती. या
हाँ
तो
जी.
हम जैसे उनके साथ सोशल एक्टिविटीज में से उनके साथ जुड़ते हैं. एंड अदर देन दैट यूथ को मोटिवेट हो, जैसे सर्विस, सोशल वेलफेयर, कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज के लिए एंड स्पोर्ट्स के
हम्म.
लिए, उसमें भी हम ऐसे अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज करते हैं, लाइक ट्री प्लांटेशन एंड
Right,
लाइक क्रिकेट मैचेस रखते हैं. और
right,
या
right. That is so nice. And also you had told me donation, blood donation camps and stuff like
या
that.
ब्लड
That's all
डोनेशन
the
कैंप, और
right.
लाइक यूथ के लिए हम लीडरशिप मोटिवेशन प्रोग्राम्स भी रखते हैं.
Okay, okay. That is so cool. And Mitran Bhatt says, proud of you. Nikita Alap Sharma says, riding it like is like meditation for riders. I absolutely, I'm sure that is. So, and so, what made you choose digital marketing and web designing? I mean, what do you, मतलब आप ये वाला part आपके लाइफ का क्या करते हैं? मतलब do you want to get into this or what is the motive? अभी ये सब तो आप करते रहोगे because you are an adventurous person. आपको finally क्या करना है?
फाइनली अभी तो पेट ग्रूमिंग और स्पा का मैंने सोचा है. तो
Okay,
जब तक वो कोर्स करूँ, इससे पहले मतलब जैसे मेरे को डॉग्स में और वो सब में इंटरेस्ट है, तो मैं ब्लॉगिंग करती हूँ. एंड
okay,
वेबसाइट, मेरी वेबसाइट भी है फॉर ऑल. सो
okay,
उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करके उसमें रखती हूँ. सो आई कैन हेल्प
okay,
लाइक
okay. So you love animals
या
or you love just
मैं
dogs?
डॉग लवर,
You dog
एनिमल्स,
lover,
ऑल
okay.
एनिमल्स.
All animals, but you
या
love dogs more. So you want to start this. That is such a good way of staying connected with lots and lots of furry animals. So I like that name also. Fur for all. Okay, so we is that on Instagram or on Facebook?
ऑन इंस्टाग्राम.
Okay, all right. So let's share that here. So I'm sure there will be a lot of dog lovers who will be able to, that kind of a thing. Rachna Patel says, proud of you, Nikita. So
या
you have lots and lots of admirers, lots and lots of admirers. So Nikita, tell us something. मतलब आपका जैसे आपने इतनी सारी चीजें हम लोग को बताई कि India for women, young women to go bike riding is very safe. You got help सब जगह से. आपको खाने का प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. You got like you said, okay, Maggie is what you like, but आपको दूसरा भी खाना मिला. And you thankfully touch wood you didn't have any medical emergencies. What about toilets? Did you have toilets everywhere at all
नॉट एवरी.
places? Not everywhere. Okay, so that
नो.
was like an issue. So we should tweet
या
about that. That young women, we need to have more toilets on the way. That this. Okay, so so this was good, and it was a beautiful ride, and you will, matlab, do you want to tell more girls like your age to do this?
Yes, sure. Like, I want to encourage, many other girls, not just girls, all youth, yeah, other
Okay.
than this busy life, थोड़ा राइड वाइड भी करना चाहिए.
आई नो. पूरा दिन मोबाइल फोन पे जो रहते हैं तो उसको छोड़ के थोड़ा सा ये सब भी कर ले. करेक्ट? इज दैट राइट?
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
because the youngster of today is all the time on their computers or iPads or mobile phones. So the outdoors, I mean, you're an inspiration for them, कि आप लोग बाहर निकलो, be in the outdoors, be in the sunshine, snowfall, rain, everything put together, and experience nature as raw as it comes, right? That is
Yes.
so
Yeah.
that is so beautiful. And Parvez Hashmi says, proud of you, Nikita, like father, like daughter. Everybody, like father, like
Like father,
daughter.
like daughter.
Madhvi Dave says, wishing you good luck, Nikita, for your new adventure on 19 Jan. God bless you. Parvez Hashmi says, you're setting a great example for the youth and all the best for the future expedition. So, Nikita, when you go for your this trek, this big climb that you're going to do, are you going to go live and are you going to be posting a lot of pictures and all that as for inspiration to all your friends and all your followers and all our viewers?
Yes, sure. I'll post it and no, like ऐसा हो तो इतना इंस्पिरेशन मिले तो फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम हमारे साथ भी लोग जुड़े.
Absolutely, that is so good. So अच्छा, next time already you have planned कि अच्छा 19 Jan के बाद अच्छा next February में फिर से कहीं पे आप निकल पड़ोगे?
Not sure, but what to do.
Yeah, I know. So, like, okay, your dad does this, but does your mother worry about you? Like, if when you do all these kind of things, मतलब जैसे mothers are always that, कि अच्छा, are you sure? Do you want to do this? So, does she worry about you, Nikita?
No, not that much, but she
Okay.
encourages me to do more and more. Yeah.
How nice. So, what are her words of encouragement? Like, what does she say to you? Like, वो क्या कैसे आपको encourage करते हैं?
Like um just like मेरी लड़की जा रही है ऐसे सब मतलब सबको बताएंगे एंड ऑल एंड फिर
हाँ.
मेरे को ऐसे मोटिवेट करेंगे कि तू कर सकती है जाए.
Okay. So good. That is so good, Nikita. And Rachna Patel says Nikita is helpful and very careful. Okay. So that is such a good thing. So I want to tell everybody that is joining us from Nikita's side and Prakash Patel's side that please follow, like and follow the Paradigm Shift page. We have every Wednesday and Saturday, we have a live with somebody beautiful like Nikita who do these extraordinary things to inspire themselves and inspire the society and motivate them to take different and bold steps. It could be for the betterment of the society or just for adventure or just to go out there and experience mother nature. So, and everybody that is joining us from the Paradigm Shift, please follow Nikita's page, and she's going to be up and about doing all these beautiful adventurous things. And if you are one that wants your adrenal high, like Nikita goes out there and has she has that beautiful speechless moments when she reaches Leh on her bike. So please follow her, and if there is any help, please DM her or her father. They're always ready to help. And if there is any other information that you guys want, that is this. Okay, Nikita, any last words? आपको कुछ बोलना है सब आपके followers, आपके viewers, हमारे viewers सबको?
um, just you know अपने कंफर्ट लेवल से थोड़ा बाहर आइए
Okay.
and you can see all new things. Just
So nice. So nice. So beautiful. That is actually, everybody is very very comfortable. अपना एक zone है बस यही and all that. Like I told your dad कि सब लोग सुबह उठ के जाते हैं ऑफिस और आप जाते हो अपने बाइक पे अहमदाबाद से लंदन. That is that is amazing. I said, what makes you tick? Like how does one actually do that? So I think this is very very great parenting, that he has motivated you and inspired you, and your mother who has done this kind of motivating you and encouraging you to take such adventurous steps. And I'm saying this from all my heart because I will think twice ki are if my children were to do this, I will be like nee 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 nee, don't do this and all that. But now with this, like when I've heard about you and your mother, your father, I already we talked to. Now this kind of gives me that courage as a mother to let my children also go out and do such adventurous things. I don't know whether they'll be able to do it because because I'm not adventurous, so I don't know if they will be, but yes, I'm sure this is. So Nikita, thank you so much for joining us. It was such a pleasure आपसे बात
you.
करते हुए. It was beautiful. Good evening and have a good
Thank
good
you
day.
too.
Right. Thank you,
Thank you.
Nikita. Bye.
Okay.
See you. Thank you,
Bye.
everybody that has joined us here. Yeah, you have to
Yes.
say hi and hi to all your people. Somebody else also, right? Yes.
Thank you,
And
everyone.
Prakash, yeah, and Prakash says we believe in adventure is a well-planned risk. Yes, that is
Yes.
good. I am going to, I will plan a well-planned risk. I should soon do that. And I will contact you guys only for that.
Sure.
All right. Do you want to say bye to all your people?
Okay, bye guys, and follow her page and my page.
Right.
Keep supporting.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you so much, Nikita.